Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm back with
Kukhona lo sekukhona nobhuti wami sekuyaba sekuzoba khona umuntu lo muntu akanamsebenzi nawe uzokuravaza noma kanjani.
yes guys. I'm just glad Ugutumaini doesn't just advise the abu my girlfriend Gampumelelo. She also does isn't the advise abantwana labazona because my recently left their house because Musa doesn't take them seriously since I was number 5. But then she was advising Uvuyogazi ukuthi Umpumelelo doesn't take you serious. And Uvuyogazi took the advice. Washiya Umpumelelo because sekabona ukuthi yazini if ever lento le siyibona nawo mamakhe. Then who am I to just sit here and think Umpumelelo uyangithanda and all? And she did so well. She did so well. And ngisho well amtshela ukuthi girl, just take care of your kids. This man doesn't love you. If ever he keeps on, excuse me, he keeps on bringing different women every month khona umusha, every month khona umusha, and then my so khona umntwana omusha, which is umntana kaTerelo, and now he was after indaba yokuthi yena kumele ashade ijiji. Lo mama vele abona kahle ukuthi yazini akuthathe rest. That's why kuhle show season 8 she stated that Umpumelelo is so disrespectful and Umpumelelo takes all of these things from ubabakhe akahlukanga ndawo nakubabakhe. And I feel like ubabakhe is giving bad examples kubantwana bakhe. Like he's definitely giving bad examples. Anyeke uthi ushadile and then uyahamba uyofuna i-girlfriend. Ujwayele naleyo girlfriend and then after months uyabuya uza kubafazi bakho uthi ngiza nomfazi omusha. It doesn't work like that. And we've recently seen, I think njengoba uTerelo bekaye ku-date noma yini, she advised her the same thing ukuthi ungahlaleli amahhala. Umuntu ongeke akushade, umuntu ongakuboni. So recently nje uTerelo every post yakhe ku-Instagram I don't see umntana kaMseleku uMpumelelo. I don't see him. So let's just hope nje ukuthi by the end of the year naye uzobe sekahlukene noMpumelelo. Okay, we don't wish ukuthi bahlukane because banabantwana, but like I realize ukuthi she's worth everything than undoda elobhize imchithela. But ke guys, le ndaba ingoVuyokazi, Uvuyokazi is the happiest girl. We don't know inside ukuthi ufilani, but she's one of the happiest girls since nje ashilele sasithembu somjolo. She's happy man guys. She recently posted ku-YouTube ku-video yakhe ku-channel yakhe vlogging nabantwana bakhe, like taking care of herself, which is a nice thing for a single mother who's been through a lot. And let's just hope ukuthi she'll carry on as handy and anakela abantwana bakhe. And I hope i-advice Mayeni really worked for her because noMayeni ushiyile nomshado lo awubonayo ukuthi kahle kahle abamboni. And let's just hope noTerelo naye will see i-value yakhe ashiye ahambe ayozikhulisela abantwana bakhe because nje it's clear ukuthi uMpumelelo noMusa Mseleku i-agenda yabo is very we don't know. But guys, what are your thoughts on this? Thank you for watching.